Hey everyone, I'm Lily Marsh, co-founder here at Data Tiles. Welcome back to our how-to video series where we tailor insights and tips for businesses across various industries. In this episode, we're diving into the fitness industry and how ChattterBox can help you optimize your operations. Whether you run a gym, offer personal training services, or manage a fitness studio, understanding membership trends, client preferences, and equipment usage is crucial for staying competitive. Today, I'll guide you through how to easily upload your data from booking systems or gym management software and use ChatterBox to extract actionable insights with just a few AI-driven prompts. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to track class attendance, optimize equipment usage, and improve client retention, all while making data-driven decisions that fuel your business growth. So let's get started. Let's begin by uploading your data to ChatterBox. Head over to the My Files section, where you can easily upload important information about member check-ins, class bookings, or equipment usage from your gym management software or CRM system via CSV or text file. ChatterBox centralizes all this information, allowing you to gain actionable insights. In this demo, we'll be uploading sample data for recent fitness class bookings. If you're following along with ChatterBox, you can use the same data by downloading the sample file provided in the description section of this video. By uploading your own data, you'll be able to see how ChatterBox turns raw information into valuable insights for your business. Now that we've covered how easy it is to upload your data into ChatterBox, let's look at some of the common challenges faced in the fitness industry. Managing class attendance, optimizing equipment usage, and understanding member preferences are just a few of the pain points that can impact the success of a fitness center. With ChatterBox, you can tackle these issues head-on by simply asking questions that provide immediate insights. Let's dive into how ChatterBox can help you solve these challenges, starting with tracking class attendance trends. Navigating to ChatterBox from the My Files section, select the file you wish to chat with. You can ask ChatterBox, what are the busiest class times this month? As you can see, ChatterBox will provide you with an overview of your busiest times, helping you better schedule your classes. You can download this data into Excel to create visual charts, ensuring you optimize class schedules based on attendance trends. Whilst managing class attendance is essential, another challenge many fitness centers face is optimizing equipment usage. Let's see how ChatterBox can help you keep track of equipment utilization to prevent overuse and ensure everything runs smoothly. You can ask ChatterBox, how often was the rowing machine used this month? The tool will generate insights into equipment utilization, helping you decide when to service or replace equipment. You can export this information into Excel to track usage trends visually and ensure equipment is being used efficiently. With equipment usage under control, the next area to focus on is understanding your members' preferences. ChatterBox can help you identify the most popular fitness programs so you can tailor your offerings to meet your clients' needs and boost satisfaction. You can ask ChatterBox, what fitness programs have been most popular in the last 3 months? The tool will provide a breakdown of your most requested programs such as yoga, weight training, or cardio classes. These insights can be downloaded into Excel, helping you adjust your offerings to focus on the services in high demand. With equipment usage under control, the next area to focus on is understanding your members' preferences. ChatterBox can help you identify the most popular fitness programs so you can tailor your offerings to meet your clients' needs and boost satisfaction. You can ask ChatterBox, what fitness programs have been most popular in the last 3 months? The tool will provide a breakdown of your most requested programs such as yoga, weight training, or cardio classes. These insights can be downloaded into Excel, helping you adjust your offerings to focus on the services in high demand. Now that we've explored solutions for some key challenges, let's talk about the essential metrics and KPIs that every fitness center should be tracking. Staying on top of these metrics can help you improve operations, optimize resources, and enhance client satisfaction. Here's how ChatterBox can make tracking these metrics effortless. Client attendance frequency. This metric reveals how often members are attending per month. By asking ChatterBox how often are members attending classes each month, you can track engagement and identify any drops in member activity. Member retention rate by membership type. Retention can vary significantly between membership levels, like basic, standard, and premium. By asking ChatterBox what is the retention rate for each membership type, you can identify which plans encourage long-term commitment and where there may be opportunities to boost retention efforts for different member groups. Customer satisfaction per class. This KPI helps evaluate how satisfied participants are with different class types of time slots. For example, with ChatterBox, you might ask, what is the average customer satisfaction rating for each class type this quarter? Or, what class time has the highest customer satisfaction this month? This helps optimize class offerings based on what participants enjoy most. Regularly monitoring these KPIs empowers you to make informed decisions that enhance member satisfaction, optimize resources, and ultimately drive business growth. With ChatterBox, you're not just gathering data, you're transforming it into actionable insights to help your fitness centre thrive. Tracking metrics is only the start. To truly get the most out of ChatterBox, it helps to follow some industry best practices. By using ChatterBox regularly, you can identify trends, avoid underbooked classes, and ensure that your clients are enjoying the best programs your facility has to offer. Targeted marketing for underbooked classes. Use ChatterBox to identify classes that need a boost by asking, which classes have the lowest attendance this week? Once you know which slots are underbooked, you can create targeted promotions or trial offers specifically for these times, helping fill classes and reach new clients. Encouraging feedback for program improvement. Client feedback can reveal a lot about what's working and what needs improvement. You can ask ChatterBox, what are the average ratings for each class type? This data allows you to focus on the classes that clients love and adjust those that could be improved. Monitoring equipment health. To prevent overuse and downtime, check how often each piece of equipment is utilised. You might ask ChatterBox, which equipment had the highest usage in the last 30 days? This insight helps you plan maintenance or replacements proactively, ensuring your equipment remains in top shape and available for members. Boosting client retention. Understanding client engagement and retention is crucial. Use ChatterBox to track member activity by asking which members attended fewer than 2 classes this month. This data allows you to identify at-risk clients and follow up with tailored re-engagement strategies, ensuring they feel valued and motivated to keep coming back. By using ChatterBox, you're not only keeping a pulse on daily operations, but also taking proactive steps to boost client satisfaction, streamline resource management, and drive growth. ChatterBox is transforming industry challenges into opportunities for success. Thank you for joining me for this video. I hope you found this walkthrough of ChatterBox helpful in understanding how to enhance your fitness business. Remember, having the right insights can make all the difference in tracking membership trends and optimizing your operations. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tailored how-to content across various industries. Don't forget to start your free trial with ChatterBox today to unlock the full potential of your data and stay ahead in the competitive fitness market. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I'd love to hear how you plan to implement ChatterBox in your business. Until next time, catch you in the chatter.